first tutorial DIY craft. Now today we are teaching you how to do a 2 Loom Band Rainbow Loom bracelet. This is what it will turn out like. What you will need is about 10 to 15 of one color and 10 to 15 of another. You can use as many colors as you want, but I like to use 2. You will need to use about 10 to 15 of each color if you're making a normal loom bracelet. But if you do a choker or an anklet, you might need a little bit more. But this is about how many you will need. You can use any colors you want, but I like these 2 colors, so that's what I chose. And you will also need an S-clip to connect. Now, let's show you how to make it. Okay, so now you're going to take your first colored loom and you're going to wrap it around your middle finger and your pointer finger like this. So it's like a figure 8. And that's how you're starting point, and you never make it this way again. So now you take a different color and you put it on straight and pull the bottom loom over. So then you take the next color and you put it on straight with no twists, and you pull the bottom one over. And you keep on doing this with no figure 8s until you have a long, long loom. So we'll see you guys once you have done this till it's about 5 inches in my case, because that's about how long around the wrist mine is supposed to be. And you don't add a second one on, so that it only has one loom band like that. Then you grab one side of the loom and you pull it over and then wrap it farther over like this. Then you pinch them both and take them off. Then you grab your S-clip. This is what it looks like. And you take one side of the clip and put it through the bands.
Or C-clip.
Yes, C-clips are the same mostly, but I will explain that later. Then, on the other side, that doesn't have the S-clip on it, this is the other side. You take the 2 sides of the loom and put it on your finger again, and take the side with the S-clip and just hook the empty side without a loom on it, the empty side on to that side. Then you have a loom bracelet, and you can wear it and enjoy it. If you have a C-clip, you just would hook the looms on the same clip, and the clip would be a little bit bigger so it would fit better. Then you would put it on, and you've got an awesome loom brand. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time we post a new video, and like if you learned something new today. See you later. Bye.